Hi, this is VBL. In this video, you are going to learn how op-amp can be used as a non-inverting amplifier. For that, I have taken an op-amp here which has got dual power supply plus V and minus V, and inverting terminal is connected to a ground through a resistor R1 and a feedback resistor RF which will be connected from V0 to this point VA. And this non-inverting terminal is connected to input signal that I refer it as VI, and this point we refer it as VB. Okay, so from virtual ground property, I write virtual ground property. What I can write? VB is equal to VA. Is that right? This point is equal to this point from virtual ground property. After that, we can apply KCL. Applying KCL to VA point. KCL at VA point or node A. Okay, at this point. So what you will be getting? See, the current which is flowing here is IF and here it is I1. Okay, so I can write for this node current entering is IF and current leaving is I1. When I apply KCL, current entering is equal to current leaving. Right? I got an equation. IF is equal to I1. I want to know what is IF and what is I1. When you want to find out I1, so you just write I1 is equal to, we know that I1 is equal to find out this I1, what I need to do? I need to have a difference between the potential divided by R1. VA minus 0, this is ground value. So VA minus 0 divided by R1. VA minus 0 divided by R1, which is equal to what? VA divided by R1. This is another equation. Next, I need to find out what is IF. Okay, IF is what? This IF is nothing but V0 minus VA divided by RF. V0 minus VA divided by RF. This is another equation. I can substitute for this VA because you know that from virtual ground property VA is equal to VB. What is VB? VB is nothing but the input voltage VI, right? So you write that V0 minus VI divided by RF. This is another equation number 3. Now what I need to do? I need to put this equation 2 and 3 in 1. What you will be getting? See, first equation says that IF is equal to I1. What is IF? IF is nothing but V0 minus VI divided by RF is equal to, what is your I1? I1 is nothing but VA divided by VR1. VA divided by R1. What is VA? You know that VA is nothing but VB. VB is nothing but VI. So VI divided by R1. This is V0 divided by RF minus VI divided by RF. I have splitted this. V0 divided by RF minus VI divided by RF. Now I just take this towards right. V0 divided by RF is equal to VI divided by R1. This minus turns to plus. This side V1 divided by RF. Okay. Now what you will be getting? This VI will be taken common here. VI, you will be getting 1 by R1 plus 1 by RF. Okay. Next you have got V0 divided by RF. You just multiply this towards this, cross multiply. V0 is equal to VI RF divided by R1 plus RF divided by RF. Okay, I have taken inside so that this RF cancels. So what you will be getting? V0 is equal to VI multiplied by 1 plus RF by R1. So, thus, the output voltage of a non-inverting amplifier is a function of voltage gain multiplied by input voltage, where the gain is a positive value. By this I can say that when you are having a input voltage positive which is multiplied by a positive gain, then you will be getting an amplified positive cycle. So it is very clear that non-inverting amplifier output voltage is in phase with the input voltage. Thus we call it as non-inverting amplifier. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe for more videos and press bell icon to get upload notification, and don't forget to comment your topic of interest in the comment section.